What if I told you that not all high-yield savings accounts are created equal? Some banks promise the allure of high returns, but do they actually deliver? Today, we're diving deep into Axos Bank's high-yield savings account to uncover the truth. Is it a smart choice for your money, or are there better options out there? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether Axos Bank is worth your time or your hard-earned cash. Let's start with the pros, because who doesn't love the good news first? The pros of Axos Bank's high-yield savings account. No monthly maintenance fees. One of the standout features of Axos Bank is its lack of monthly maintenance fees. Unlike traditional banks that might charge you just for keeping your account open, Axos lets you save without worrying about unnecessary deductions eating into your balance. No minimum balance requirements. While you'll need $250 to open the account, there's no ongoing minimum balance requirement to maintain it. This makes it accessible for those who might not have a large sum to deposit up front but still want to earn some interest on their savings. Above average APY for smaller balances. For balances under $25,000, Axos offers an APY of 0.61%. While this isn't groundbreaking compared to some competitors, it's still higher than the national average savings rate of 0.41%. If your savings fall within this range, it's a decent option. Digital convenience. Being an online-only bank, Axos provides a seamless digital banking experience. From mobile deposits to 24/7 customer service via phone and email, it's designed for those who prefer managing their finances on the go. Enhanced ATM access. With access to a vast network of over 91,000 ATMs nationwide, Axos ensures you won't have to hunt for a fee-free machine when you need cash. But before you hit that apply button, let's talk about the cons, and there are a few you shouldn't ignore. The cons of Axos Bank's high-yield savings account. Declining APY for larger balances. Here's where things get tricky. If your balance exceeds $25,000, your APY drops significantly to just 0.25%. And if you're fortunate enough to have over $100,000 saved, the rate plummets further to 0.15%. For high net worth individuals or those saving aggressively, this tiered structure can be disappointing. Not as high yield as it sounds. While 0.61% APY is better than average, many other online banks offer significantly higher rates, some exceeding 4%, without similar restrictions or tiered structures. If maximizing returns is your goal, Axos may not be the best choice. $250 minimum opening deposit. Although there are no ongoing balance requirements, you'll need at least $250 to open the account. This might be a hurdle for someone just starting their savings journey or looking for a more flexible option. No physical branches. As an online-only bank, Axos lacks physical locations. While this isn't an issue for tech-savvy users comfortable with digital banking tools, those who prefer face-to-face interactions may find this limiting. Excessive transaction fees. If you exceed 6 withdrawals or transfers per month, a federal limit for savings accounts, you'll incur a $10 fee per transaction. This could add up quickly if you frequently dip into your savings. Now that we've weighed both sides, let's zoom out and ask, who is this account actually good for? Who should consider Axos Bank? Axos Bank's high-yield savings account is ideal if you're comfortable with online banking and don't need in-person services. Your savings balance is under $25,000 and you want a no-fuss account with no monthly fees. You value features like 24/7 customer support and access to a large ATM network. Who should look elsewhere? On the flip side, you might want to skip Axos if you're looking for the highest possible APY on your savings. Other online banks offer better rates. Your balance exceeds $25,000 and you don't want your interest rate to drop. You prefer having access to physical branches or in-person customer service. So what's the verdict? Axos Bank's high-yield savings account has its strengths. No fees, easy access through digital tools, and competitive rates for smaller balances. But its drawbacks, particularly the declining APY for larger balances and relatively modest interest rates compared to competitors, are hard to overlook. If convenience and simplicity are your top priorities and your balance falls below $25,000, Axos could be a solid choice. However, if maximizing returns is what matters most to you, or if you have a larger nest egg, you might find better options elsewhere. And there you have it, the full breakdown of Axos Bank's high-yield savings account. What do you think? Does it meet your needs, or are you leaning toward exploring other banks? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.